Hello, my name is Darren Jian Wong, metric number 60607.
Hi, my name is Efana Bila binti Abdulaziz and my matrix number is 63176. Dah.
Hi, my name is Shafina Ngao, matric number 63841.
Hi, my name is Wan Hafizatul Aini binti Wan Omar Zahdi, matrix number 63860.
The purpose of this video is to present our finding in the report. The product selected is a traditional condiment which is Sarawak Blackpepper. According to history, pepper was first planted in Malaysia in 1619 in Langkawi and thereafter brought to Sarawak in 1852 and was systematically planted in Sarawak in 1875 and was during the administration of the Brooke government. Most of the pepper planting can be found in Sarawak, which making Sarawak pepper a household brand in the international spice market. For most common usage of black pepper is as a favorite spice of cooks due to its pungent aroma and flavor. Black pepper can be served in tea form for relieving arthritis, nausea, fever, migraine, headache, poor digestion, strep throat, and even coma. It had been used as an insecticide for non-medical application.
The peppercorns of Sarawak Blackpepper were plucked manually when they turned from green to red in color. They were then sent to the processing facilities and undergo the boiling process. They were discharged into the boiling machine approximately for 10 minutes and will turn into black or dark brown in color after 1 hour. Next, the peppercorns will be sent to the drying area to be exposed to the direct sunlight. If there is absence of sunlight, the air dry system is used to ensure that the drying process is not being interrupted. The drying process required at least 3 to 4 days before the peppercorns is transferred to the next process. After that, the peppercorns were cleaned by using the gravity separator machine with wind blower. This process is used to remove dust, dirt clots, bits of twigs and stalk as well as other impurities. After the cleaning process, the peppercorn were ground lightly using grain processing machine. The ground peppercorns were separated, whereas a portion of it will be directly sent to the packaging zone, while the other portion of it will continue to be ground into coarse and fine grinds of black pepper powder.
After the grinding process, different grinds of black peppers will be packaged separately. The packaging varies widely among processes and include bags, boxes and canisters for large commercial sales and smaller jars, cans and mills for domestic usage. The final product of black pepper will be randomly selected for quality control to ensure high quality of the product. The quantity of raw materials will be examined when they arrive the faculty. It is important to ensure the accuracy of computerized system as well as is the analysis of productivity and efficiency of the processing facility. Different grade of product will be packaged and labeled with barcode separately. Before the product is being introduced into the market, they will be scanned with the barcodes to ensure the correct type and quantity to be released to the market.
This is the facility plan layout for Sarawak Blackpepper processing. First, the black pepper will be transported to the raw material storage zone. Next, they will undergo the boiling process. Further, then is the drying process. Next will be the cleaning process, and then the grinding process with different grinding machine. And then they will undergo the packaging process. Next, several samples will be selected for the quality control. After they pass the quality control, they will be transferred to the product storage zone. For this plan layout, the minimum number of workers required is 20, which two workers will be stay in the raw material storage zone. 2 workers will stay with the boiling machine. 2 of the workers will stay in the drying zone. 4 workers were working in the computer control room. 2 workers were working with the cleaning machine. 1 worker will be in the refuse room. 2 workers were monitoring 3 grinding machine. And then another 2 workers were monitoring 3 packaging machine. While 1 workers were working with 1 quality control machine. Then last 2 workers were working in the product storage zone. The design of this plan layout is streamlined layout, while each zone is given with their own functions. For example, the raw material zone is used to store the raw materials which is freshly harvested from the plantation. In the boiling zone, this is where the boiling process undergoing. In the drying zone, the peppercorn will be placed on the pellets and let it dry while exposed to the sunlight. In the computer control room, the workers will monitoring the condition of the machine so that they will function properly. Next is the cleaning zone. The cleaning machine will process the cleaning so that to separate the peppercorns from the unwanted particle. The clean peppercorn will be sent to the grinding zone, while the unwanted particle will be sent to the refuse room. The unwanted particle will be collected, then sent to the organic fertilizer facility. In the grinding zone, the peppercorn will first undergoing the first grinding machine, which is used to grind lightly. Next is the coarse grade, then the fine grade. After that, they will be sent to the 3 packaging machine. Next is the quality control machine. After that, they will be stored in the product storage zone. The advantage of this design layout is each zone is given with big capacity, so that it will given more time for the human workers to rest. Besides that, high quality and quantity end product will be produced. Next is less human resource is required for display layout, since it is semi-automated. The disadvantage of display layout is it requires high initial investment and requires high maintenance costs. Moreover, it is not suitable for small business, and it is not a fully automated system. In conclusion, planning and designing an automated manufacturing system is a complex and intricate process. An efficient layout design can be put in place by envisioning the maximum possible working machine that is safe and functioning. The complete layout of the Sarawak Blackpepper factory depends on several targets which is being discussed. Namely, the targets are establishing a new and highly efficiently operating facility which only mass producing high quality Sarawak black pepper and generating suitable layout for manufacturing process and assembly of the product. Next, suitable computer control system and recommended manpower are selected for the facility. Suitable manufacturing machines and devices were suggested to be used in the facility as well as efficient storage and identification systems were incorporated.